Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today I have a 2021 Ford Ranger stock number 5962. This ran from 07-2015 to 04-2022. Has a P5AT 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a P5AT 3.2 litre turbo diesel engine. Left front headlight. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 18-inch factory alloy Mag good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear 18-inch factory alloy Mag good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate, no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy Mag good tyre. Right rear door, no dents. Right front 18-inch factory alloy Mag good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door, no dents. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. AC controls. Factory touchscreen sat nav stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke steering wheel. Instrument cluster.